Welcome to another video by Lame Creations, Log Analysis Made Easy, where our goal is to help simplify your work in the cybersecurity world and help make you a cybersecurity ninja. As our motto goes, more lame, less pain. Anyway, what we want you to do here is we're going to show a really powerful feature, particularly it's in ICE, is you can use this Out-Gridview. And ICE is your PowerShell IDE. You can write, if you don't have a tool to quickly search through your logs, this is not a bad little method to do it. So you can go, I'm going to go grab all my security logs, get event log, log name security, and I'm going to write out to grid view. And this is, when I run this, it's going to pop up a nice little GUI here where I can sort things by, I've got sort capabilities, I can change entry types, so we can see failure audits, and we can add criteria searching. So maybe I want to look for all my failed logins and successful logins. So if I come down here to instance ID, I'm going to add one, and I want add 4624. That's going to be all my successful logins, and I want it to be equal to, and there's all my successful. What if I want to see all my non-successful at the same time? If I go hit add, then I can add 4645, and now I'm going to have successful logins and, let's get the equal to. So now we're looking for instances equal to 4624 or 4645. We should see both in here if we, all successful. Interesting. Okay. I have the wrong number. Wouldn't surprise me. All right, let's close both of these. Let's find the other. What is the number? So if I go look at failed, I'm just going to write the word fail. Cal 4625, my bad. So I should have just used 4625 instead. And 4625. Now I get back all my failed. And anyway, so that's the general principle. You can use filtering, you can search. It's got a nice capability here, so you can find your logs. And it just makes being able to sort through your logs much easier if you don't have a log collection engine such as Splunk or Elk or something like that. Anyway, I hope this was helpful. I hope this provides you some insight and helps you, as we say, more lame, less pain. And I hope this you'll keep coming back, and we'll talk to you later.